Good morning, guys. So Woody has a grooming appointment today, and so we're literally at PetSmart. His appointment is for 8 o'clock and it is 7:54, so we about to go in because he cutting up because he don't want to be in his little seatbelt. Look at his seatbelt, y'all. This is seatbelt. Oh! He don't want to be in his seatbelt, so he ready to get out. So, oh! Pootie! You seen the dog? So we about to get out, and I will see y'all when we get back in. That made it even worse for me. Oh! Yeah. Okay, now we're about to go to, dang, they don't even give you a chance to get in the car. Now we're about to go to Target, which is like, I thought it was still in this strip mall, but it's not.
Me too. That's what I did.
Right. But I'm sure you could know, you probably can't. But yeah, it's literally like 2 minutes away. So yeah, we taste something new today. That's strong. Oh, but the flavor is so good. The cinnamon? No, it's not the cinnamon.
You don't think?
Mm-mm.
You can look for that candle.
I actually think it's the Americano.
Really? The espresso?
Yes, because it's on the back for me.
Oh, well, yeah, it's the espresso.
That tastes good.
It have like a little bite,
Yeah,
but not bitter.
right. I like tart stuff though. I don't like sweet stuff. I like
why
tart.
it's tart.
It's so good because in the front end, to me, it tastes like homemade coffee, which is amazing. But then it's like, but you can taste the water.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
It's good. So the new drink alert is but it's really not a new drink. It's just something we made up at the register, and it is order a tall Americano, add vanilla, and then you go to the area in the little bar area, and you add 1 little dash of cinnamon, add some more powdered vanilla, and agave. We love agave, but yeah, then add agave. It's so good. But again, other people might not like it because people don't be looking for that coffee taste sometimes. People be looking for that.
You're looking for a really gourmet taste.
Yeah, if you're looking for coffee, this good.
Like, wake up.
That's good. I like
know
that.
I would be able to get it to taste like that again.
Oh, that smells so good. The little, oh my goodness, this is so cute. What? That's so cute. Wow. This is called Bullseye's Playground. This little cheap area. This is absolutely my favorite part of Target. Like, it's always the cutest stuff right here. Mama, look at this. Just so cute.
Wait,
I like the people call.
From yesterday?
Put that in here. I love socks. Look at these socks. I literally love socks. Goodness, mama. What? Then did you pick it up?
Yes, it's heavy.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I love this. Okay guys, so we decided to literally walk to Ross, which is not that far, but they have a store in between. Hold on y'all, let me finish my water so I can throw it away. Can't believe I just threw my ice away, but I was tired of holding it. But yeah, I was about to get the planner, but I was like, man, I started digitally planning, so I'm gonna stick with that for a while and then see what happens. And then once I put the planner back, I was like, well, I'm not gonna just stand in line for a pair of dollar socks, so put the socks back too. So yeah. This is literally what happens when you get when you get up early. I swore it was 1 o'clock. Literally, I thought it was 1 o'clock. Wait, these not the ones I have. Oh, all this old I use 50% off because I'm almost out of every single one I have. That smells so good. What is that?
Mint. Oh my god.
This smells good too. Oh, eucalyptus and
Oh,
moss.
of course. The infamous.
I love eucalyptus. Rose and grapefruit. That's crazy. This smells good too. It's too light though.
It does smell amazing. That would be great for a bathroom.
Right. Hey, Papa. Look at Pootie. He looks so cute. So y'all, he gets a report card. And his report card says, Pootie was a good boy today. He is so cute and sweet. Please book with me again. Bruh, it's they have a big old dog walking. Anyways, I do not want to be walking this dog in this stormy rain. But I could tell that he wanted to get outside, so I just brought him outside. Anyway. So guys, I forgot to end this video. So that's the end of this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Turn on your post notification bell so you can know anytime I post. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.